Hey guys, CJ here with Diode Dynamics. Today I'm going to go over installing our LED interior bulb upgrades along with some tips and tricks on this 2019 Toyota Tacoma and 2014 Ford Fusion. If you haven't seen them already, we now offer vehicle-specific interior kits to upgrade the yellow incandescent stock bulbs to LED. Inside each kit, you'll find the bulbs you need to install, labeled for each location, 2 trim removal tools to help with the installation, as well as a general install guide. Now let's jump in the vehicle to show you some helpful tips and tricks. With lens pressing switches, we recommend taking the trim tool's slim edge and simply sliding it between the lens and housing on the opposite side of where the lens presses in. The pressure should help safely pop the lens off with ease. When removing a lens or housing, one of the best tips we can give is to move slow and steady to avoid breaking any tabs or marring the lens or housing. Some vehicles do have indentation tabs on the housing to help indicate where to pry it off the vehicle. To replace 194 bulbs, use bulb removal pliers by grabbing the bulb firmly and pull directly away from the housing. If you don't have this tool, or you're having trouble getting a good grip on a bulb if it's too hot, grab some tape and wrap it around the stock bulb so you have a better grip to pull it out of the socket. If you've installed the bulb and it doesn't illuminate, it may be polar sensitive. Try uninstalling it, flipping it 180 degrees, and reinstalling it. If you've installed a festoon bulb and the bulb seems loose, we recommend adjusting the metal terminals slightly. Be careful the more you do this, as it can weaken the terminals. If it's still loose, you may need a bigger bulb size. For bulb enclosures commonly in the trunk that house the bulb, you can easily pop it out carefully by pushing it with your trim tool. If you've installed a 194 bulb and it's flickering, you can try pulling the pins out 45 degrees, then reinstalling it to confirm it's not a loose connection. Hopefully these tips were helpful. If you have any of your own, feel free to drop them in the comments down below. And as always, if you need more help installing your bulbs, feel free to contact customer service and we can help you out. Pick up a set of interior bulbs for your vehicle at diodedynamics.com or use a dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.